Hello, let's take a glimpse of Punjabi University, the largest state university of Punjab, situated in the erstwhile princely city of Patiala. Punjabi University is second university to be named after a language after Israel's Hebrew University. Punjabi University was established on April 30th, 1962 on the recommendations of a commission headed by Maharaja Yadavandra Singh of Patiala. On June 24, 1962, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the then President of India, laid the foundation stone of Punjabi University. The university's vision and mission were to serve the Punjabi language, art and culture, and it set in motion the region's glorious educational traditions. Punjabi University has made significant contributions to the promotion of our beautiful language Punjabi, translating many great word thinkers, authors and scholars into Punjabi and introducing a large ocean of knowledge to Punjabi readers. The university continues not only to mark excellence in language, literature and culture, but is making great strides as a leading state institution for teaching and research in life sciences, physical sciences, social sciences, medicine, engineering and technology, business studies, media studies, law, computer technologies, education and information sciences, etc. University is proud of the fact that many prominent personalities who had made a name for themselves in all these diverse fields were once students of Punjabi University. The main campus of the university, which is spread over 300 acres of beautifully structured, lush green land, has more than 70 teaching and research departments. There are 9 special chairs, 8 neighborhood campuses, 6 regional centers and 13 constituent colleges and 271 affiliated colleges. All of these institutions, plus the Department of Distance Education of the university, are meeting the educational needs of about 2 lakh students. The university also offers diverse educational and research programs for international students in both graduate and postgraduate programs. For the outstation students, there are 6 separate hostels for boys and girls with modern facilities and comfortable living. Bhai Khan Singh Nabha Library and Dr. Ganda Singh Punjabi Reference Library has a huge and rich collection of books. The Department of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Studies of the university has 62 handwritten sacred forms of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, which are extremely rare and valuable treasures. Punjabi University has established itself as one of the best institutions for providing world-class education and has a strong research infrastructure to support the best learning environment. State-of-the-art technological devices have been installed at the university which are imperative for advanced analysis. The sophisticated Instrument Center is home to a range of high-tech instruments that are extremely useful in today's research and scientific research. The university has done exceedingly well in maintaining higher standards of education as prescribed by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, or simply NAAC, and has been awarded 5-star grading from the same. Also, Punjabi University ranked among the top 100 universities and institutions in the National Institutional Ranking Framework, or NIRF rankings. Last year, Punjabi University has been honoured to join a prestigious league of institutions under the Global Initiative for Academic Network, a special program of the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. In recent years, the university has also become a member of 4 powerful knowledge clusters, including the Chandigarh Region Innovation and Knowledge Cluster, or CRIC. CRIC fosters and maintains strong academic partnerships between higher education and research institutions in the Chandigarh region to promote innovation and knowledge development. An educational institution's strength lies in its holistic approach to growth in order to be assimilated into national development goals. Mental as well as the physical health is critical for overall well-being goals, and it is evident from the fact that this university has been a top performing university in sports and 10 times winner of Maka Trophy. Punjabi University has a long list of players who regularly represented India in various national and international competitions and won medals. Years of research and development in various departments of university has contributed in societal development through the transfer of technology at the industry as well as the market level. The Intellectual Property Rights and Technology Transfer Cell has been established at Punjabi University, Patiala to look after the activities related to the intellectual property protection of university researchers and students. The university has been enhancing its research and consulting activities with support from various funding agencies such as the UGC, CSIR, ICMR, ISRO, DST, DBT, ICSSR, from other international agencies, public sector units and industries. To name a few projects that are directly beneficial for the society are automatic machine translation system from English to Indian Sign Language using synthetic automation, plagiarism detection tool for Indian language documents with special focus on Hindi and Punjabi, automatic announcement of railway and airport announcement for deaf using synthetic animations, etc. In addition, the university is continually updating its courses and has introduced a variety of new ones in response to the new global academic developments of the 21st century. The university has developed 8 new interdisciplinary research centers in this direction. For promoting entrepreneurial culture and startups, an entrepreneurship and startup hub has been set up under RUSA scheme. Punjabi University is collaborating with international universities, research institutes and other professional bodies in order to advance its academic and research goals. Another unique feature of the university is the Educational Multimedia Research Center or EMRC, which has been set up by the Ministry of Education, Government of India. It is one of the leading 22 such centers across the country and is an important part of the nationwide Swayam and Swayam Prabha project, wherein the learner can access any information with just a click of the mouse from anywhere. Recognizing its role for the community development, university has made major contribution to many national and state initiatives. It has partnered with the state government, district administration and other agencies to make its contribution. Punjabi University has maintained an outstanding placement record by offering ample opportunities for its students to pursue their career aspirations. The fact that Punjabi University alumni are spread across the globe and are contributing to social and economic growth in diverse ways is a proof of this. University alumni have always had a deep emotional bond with their alma mater, and they are major contributors to its growth and development, as well offering mentoring and career opportunities to the students of the university. Current times are particularly complicated due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which has put a worldwide halt to growth. During this difficult time of pandemic, continuing education has been a difficult task for any educational institution. To ensure that the spirit of learning is not dampened, Punjabi University is reaching out to the students through a variety of online methods and the like. During this unprecedented period, all the departments of the university implemented e-learning measures and prepared e-content and updated their learning materials to accommodate virtual and hybrid classrooms and increase student participation. During this stressful period, the university's dispensary is providing health care to its students and employees around the clock. In order to keep up with the times, the university is designing numerous in-house software to automate its administrative and secretarial wings. The university has already implemented a number of programs, including e-office, online admissions, online examination services, etc., with the aim of being more time efficient and productive. Punjabi University has come a long way, but there is still much more to be done. This university will always be a beacon for future generations. Regardless of the difficulties it faces, it has always pushed forward and will continue to do so. Anyone who becomes associated with this university stays connected with it for the rest of their lives. The memories of the blooming Gulmohar and Amaltas trees on both sides of the university roads will always be embedded in the minds of its students, among other things. We at Punjabi University are committed to new generations and new paths and will continue doing so. Thank you.